Hi students, how are you? Are you fine? Okay, we were in our periodic test. Now the examination or examination are finished or you are free from exam. Let's back to our IT lessons, regular class. We studied 2 chapter and now today we are going to take a new chapter, third unit, catch the fish. It's a game. Catch the fish is a game. Some students already played this game in our G Commerce. Today this activity based on mouse. Mouse. What is mouse? Yes, mouse is input device. We studied it's a part of computer. And today we will learn how to hold the mouse and how many buttons are there and what are the uses. Okay, so when you hold your mouse, you can place your indicator finger on left button and your middle finger on right button. Mouse has two buttons, right button, left button and right button. When you press left button, that is click. When you press left button, that is click. Okay. In this activity, catch the fish, you will use left button, click, mouse, click. Clear? Okay. And many other uses of this mouse. You can drag with mouse. You will press left click and you can drag like this. If you want to open folder, you can double click. So click, double click, right button click. Okay, you understood? Yeah. Let's see how to play catch the fish in our G Commerce. Where will you click before starting the activities? This is the icon, keyboard and mouse activities that we studied. You will click here and you can see many types of games icon, and you can see the fish icon. That is our today's activity. When you click the click means you will press the left button of mouse. That game is open. Now there are fish. The fish are coming. You have to click each fish, then you will get points. So this is the game. You can practice the game in your computer. If you have a computer, if you have laptop, you can use your computer and laptop. If you don't have, then you use your smartphone for playing this game and understand the mouse. Click left button. Okay, left button is when you press it's click, mouse click. You understood? Okay, so this is our today's activity, catch the fish, mouse activity. I think you will enjoy after playing this game. Thank you for watching. Today there will not live session. You can use that time for playing that game in our G Commerce. Okay, thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Bye.